Hey guys, I just wanted to check in with you and let you know that Nessie made it here safe and sound last night. We had a great little time session, and now I think today we might go on a nature walk and then find ourselves in the kitchen later tonight. So Nessie and I are taking ourselves a little day trip, and we have arrived here. Oh, the sun is so bright! We are at a lake reservoir thing that has no water in it. Not much at all. That's friendship. That's pure friendship right there. Oh, your hair looks really good with all this white snow and everything. If you can't tell by just the look on my face, guys, it's like really cold out.
It is really cold.
We're probably in the teens. I don't think we've made it even to like the 20s. I feel like a baby bird. Alright guys, we're gonna play a game. It's called Can You Find Nessie's Camera? Right there! There it is! Alright, where to now, Nessie?
I think we're gonna go back.
Okay.
Warm up.
Good. We are out here at spot number 2 for hike number 2 and point and sesh number 2. I got Zach along with us this time. You guys remember Camp Counselor Zach. And we got Nessie in the background. And yeah, so we're just gonna find a nice little spot out here in the woods by this frozen pond behind me and have ourselves a nice little sesh. The skill, it's so impressive. Innovation at its greatest. It's definitely a little bit less brisk than the icy tundra we were at earlier today, that's for sure.
Yes, that is 100% true.
Are you guys ready for this game again? Where's Nessie's camera? I don't know.
Not this one.
I don't know. Over here? Is it over there? No. It's right here. That hat looks so warm.
It is. This is one of the ones that Mary made.
Oh, it has the pocket in the back?
It does.
Look at that pocket.
Oh,
Oh, where did it go? Oh my god, it's gone.
nice,
I
right?
like it. I like it a lot. Burr.
Zach?
Oh, we got Zach over there. Look at him. He's taking snaps for his Snapchat. You need a lighter? Am I the one that has the lighter?
Did you put the
Yep, I have the lighter. I'm the lighter thief. There you go.
That was
Don't die, please. No falling. No falling.
That is.
New glass is always so fun. Icy tundra. Do you see tundra? Icy tundra.